Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 GMC Yukon. This Yukon is featured in the SLT trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as heated and vented front seats, heated second row bench seating, a rear entertainment DVD system with 2 screens for our second and third row, black assist steps, a powered tailgate, as well as lane keep assist, and a trailer brake controller with a trailering package and auto-locking rear differential, as well as a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, sunroof, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, to the right of our chrome finish door handle, we have our power locks. Below, we have our powered outside mirrors with folding setting and blind spot monitor. We also have our power window controls, as well as our rear safety locks. Bottom of the door has some additional storage. We have our driver's seat memory with 2 settings, as well as a Bose speaker. Just to the left of our steering wheel, at the top, we have our traction control button, parking sensors, lane keep assist, and power adjustable pedals. Below it, our lighting controls, drive mode select, and trailer brake controller. Moving down the side of our driver's seat, we can see all of our power controls. You can also see the seat here, finished in our jet black leather, heated and vented in the front of the vehicle. Down the side of our steering wheel, we have our power tilt telescopic steering column. Moving inside, we can see above our steering wheel our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. You can see we have trip economy, our current fuel range, oil life, tire pressure sensors, our best fuel economy, a speed limit sign, our transmission temperature, as well as off-road settings, and a digital speedometer. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is our cruise settings, forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free, as well as the controls to adjust what is on the center of our display console. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system with our AM/FM audio, satellite audio, phone projection, navigation, OnStar. If we go across, we can also see we have a shop as well as traffic. Also functions as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below, we can see some additional controls. If we hit our button that is a screen up and down, you can see that we have some storage space behind our screen as well as a USB plug. If we hit it again, you can bring it down. You can see we have an MP3 player on the bottom as well. If we hit our home button, we can go back. Then we have our dual zone front climate control, as well as our rear climate below. Heated and vented seat for our drivers on the left-hand side, and our passengers on the right-hand side. Push to start ignition is just above. Then below it, we can see we have a 12-volt plug, as well as 2 USB plugs. Also can see our key in a storage space. On the top, locks and unlocks. Center is our remote start. Then the controls for our powered liftgate, as well as our alarm. And we have 2 cup holders, our center console with a wireless charger on top and deep storage inside. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also in our jet black leather and is heated and vented in the front of the vehicle. Then above our rear view mirror, we have our lighting controls, universal garage door opener, controls for our powered liftgate, controls for our tilt slide sunroof, controls for our lighting for the whole vehicle, a sunglass holder, and then lastly, we can see our sunroof in the front of the vehicle in a tilt sliding format. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see that we have an alloy finish with a GMC center cap, and on the outside, an all-terrain tire. Moving across to the vehicle itself, we can see we have a paint match finish on our outside mirrors, black assist step across the bottom, black door handles, as well as black roof rails. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our GMC badging, as well as our Yukon XL badging in chrome, trailer package in the bottom center, backup camera just below our GMC icon. You can open it up by simply pressing on the bottom, and we can see we have a powered liftgate. In the back of the vehicle, that's our cover for our trailer hitch. You can also see we have a 60/40 folding split third row seating, and that is also powered seating. Below that, we have a 12-volt flip-up plug, some tie-downs on either side, as well as some storage on the back driver's side. To close the vehicle, we have a button on the right-hand side of our handle, or we can close it manually. And we can see we have plenty of storage space in the back of the vehicle. Moving into the back of our vehicle, you can see a chrome finish door handle, a cup holder, as well as our power window control, and some storage in the rest of the door, as well as our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver, as well as a back of the passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have a 115-volt plug, a 12-volt plug, all of the controls for our third zone climate control, heated outboard second row seating, an auxiliary, 2 USBs, and an HDMI plug, as well as some storage in the bottom. Moving to our second row seats, we can see they are all finished in our jet black leather. The outboard seats are heated. In the central seat, we have 2 more cup holders, as well as some storage. Moving to the third row, we can fold our seat by pulling down on the handle. Looking back at our third row, we can see it is once again our jet black leather. 3 seats in the back as well. On the driver's side, we have 2 cup holders, as well as a 12-volt plug. Passenger side has another cup holder and some storage in the door. Third row seats are power folding through the back of the vehicle. Then above, we have our DVD player for the third row, as well as our DVD player for the second row. You can release it by a simple press of the button, and can see that we have a Blu-ray as well as DVD. Moving across, we can see that we have floor mats in a cloth finish as well. Can lift up our seats and make some additional storage, and we have 60/40 folding second and third row seating. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 GMC Yukon XL. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.